Good morning guys, how are we all doing? I hope you're all having a good weekend. For today's video I wanted to do something a little bit different. I've seen this trend going around quite a lot on YouTube recently and I actually really love the idea of this because I personally love watching these videos on Vogue as well. So today I'm going to be pretending that I'm in a Vogue Beauty Secrets video, hence why I've got my robe on. Very fresh face this morning, literally sat here with my iced coffee. It's going to be super laid back, really chilled. I'm pretty sure I'm posting this on a Sunday morning as well, so if you want to do your skincare, your makeup routine, whatever it is with me, I would really love that. I feel like it's been quite a while as well since I last did a dedicated skincare video, and I'm actually really excited about this video because I feel like my skin recently, I've literally got nothing on my face at the minute. I've made an effort to get up this morning, not put anything on, literally show you guys my bare skin as it is. I don't know, I just feel really radiant, very glowy at the minute. I've literally not got any moisturizer, serum, anything on my skin. This is my skin first thing in the morning, which makes me so happy because I feel like I've been on such a journey with it. These products I've actually been testing out for the past 2-ish weeks, I want to say, the past 2 to 3 weeks. And I'm honestly obsessed with them. I just feel so happy. I feel like I've really found a good solid skincare routine that I want to share with you guys. All of the skincare products in this video are by CurrentBody, which I'm not gonna lie, I hadn't really tried much from them before they sent these over and reached out to me about this collaboration. As I said, I have been testing the products out for the past 2 weeks or so. I wanted to make sure obviously that I really loved them before I shared them with you guys. Very exciting as well because all of these products have been put together into kind of a collection by Goss, which for those of you that are a big follower of the makeup community and the beauty community and everything else on YouTube, you will probably know Goss. Everything that he puts out onto his channel is just super informative and very educational, and anytime he recommends anything, I feel like I always know I'm going to love it because he just really knows what he's talking about. So all of these products do come in the LED Essential Box by Goss and CurrentBody, so you can purchase them all together for a discounted price, or they can be purchased individually as well on the CurrentBody site. So I'll leave information all down below. And yeah, I'm gonna get into it. Okay, so just to give you an overview of everything in the box, we've got the Daily Foaming Cleanser, which is my first step, the Daily AHA Tonic, the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, the Clarifying Clay Mask, and then you also get some of the CurrentBody eyebrow shapers, which come as a pack of 3. We then also have the Eyebrow Precision Tool, which is definitely one of my favorite products, and last but not least, the LED Light Mask, which I am obsessed with. The first product that we're going to be using today is the CurrentBody Daily Foaming Cleanser. Obviously I'm not going to use this right here and now, but I will insert a clip of me using it in the bathroom. I would have filmed this in the bathroom, kind of similar to the Vogue vibe, but I feel like the lighting in my bathroom is just not it, so we're going to do it here instead in my room. Yeah, this is a cleanser that you can use daily. You can use it twice a day, which is kind of what I like to do, so you can use it in the morning and also in the evening. The thing that I really like about this, because I have to say foaming cleansers aren't necessarily something that I always really gravitate towards or always really love. I feel like a lot of foaming cleansers that I've tried can be quite drying on the skin, especially for me as well because I do have normal to dry skin. They just leave my skin feeling quite stripped and quite tight afterwards, which I just really don't like the feeling of. This one I find is super gentle on the skin. It's all completely natural in terms of the ingredients as well. Everything is vegan and cruelty free. It also has a really nice natural exfoliating element to it as well, which I feel like anytime I get asked about skincare, exfoliating is the one thing that I always love to speak about because it really does help to just get rid of that top layer of dull or dead skin. It's nothing crazy to the point where it's really harsh on the skin. As I said, it's not stripping in any way, it still leaves your skin feeling really nice and healthy and soft afterwards. It contains natural AHAs and niacinamides, which I hope I'm pronouncing that right, which has also been proven to minimize the appearance of pores and just clarify and smooth the skin, which I absolutely love. I swear to God, this has quickly become one of my favorite cleansers now. It's only actually £10 to purchase individually as well, which is amazing. So a really great product for a really affordable price. And I just love the fact that it says on it as well, Daily Foaming Cleanser. what it says, what it is what it says on the tin. Do you know what I'm saying? That's what I love about all of these products as well. I feel like skincare can be really like overwhelming sometimes. There's so many different products that are available to try, and the fact that all of these literally just say what they are on the container, tells you what it does. It's really, really simple. I just love that. So that is kind of like my first step in my beauty and like skincare regime. Right. just quickly washed and dried my skin off. So that is step 1 done. You can use this as well with like cleansing tools if you want to, if you want a little bit of a deeper clean. It also works absolutely fine with your hands, which is what I've just done. So yeah, really love that. Okay, next I want to talk about the Daily AHA Tonic. This is probably one of my favorite products in the entire box. I personally love using AHA on my skin. For those of you that don't know, AHAs are like naturally occurring acids, so really, really great in terms of like getting rid of any dead skin cells. It's recommended that you build up to using this every single day if you have sensitive skin. I actually do have quite sensitive skin, but I can use this every single day and it's absolutely fine. It's nothing too intense or too crazy in terms of the exfoliating like benefit. I feel like this out of everything as well is what's helped with like my blemishes, because I'd say my skin is kind of like blemish prone. It's definitely not acne prone. Like I'm very lucky in terms of my skin that I don't get crazy breakouts or anything like that. But I do get blemishes and I do get quite a lot of texture, like mostly on like my inner cheeks and also my chin and like just my general T-zone. This AHA tonic, AHAs in general, makes such a difference with that. It genuinely leaves your skin feeling so much smoother, but again, not stripped, not dry, nothing like that. So I like to just go with a little cotton pad and I just kind of like coat it, and then I'll just kind of go around and sweep this over my skin. The thing that I love about this AHA tonic as well compared to others that I've tried, this one actually has aloe vera and cucumber in it, so as well as giving like that really nice gentle exfoliation on the skin, it's still really soothing and again not drying in any way whatsoever. Kind of get like the best of both worlds, do you know what I mean? Because it gets rid of any like dead skin cells, any like excess bits of dirt or whatever, but it still leaves your skin feeling really soft and really hydrated afterwards. Just let that soak in. You want to make sure that you let your skin like fully dry before you go in with anything on top. And it does a really nice job of like brightening the skin as well, this product. Next up, I'm going to use the hyaluronic acid serum. I love hyaluronic acid. I feel like it's become such a staple in terms of like a good solid skincare ingredient. Hyaluronic acid as a whole is just really great at locking in moisture and really holding onto water, so helps to keep your skin really plump, really hydrated. Is great for like filling out like fine lines and things like that, and it's also great as an anti-aging product as well. I'm gonna pop a couple of drops of this on. It's actually quite like a thick serum. You don't really need a lot of it. I just go ahead and like massage it into my skin. And the thing that I like about this as well is it's very like fast absorbing and it doesn't really leave like a film on the skin, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't leave any tackiness or anything like that. Great for underneath makeup. I basically do a lot of these products before I do makeup as well, just to kind of prep the skin. And I like the fact that with this, because it absorbs and it doesn't leave any kind of like tacky layer on the skin, I can still go in with like a moisturizer or a primer or whatever else I want to use before makeup, and it's not going to feel like I've got loads of really thick products on, if you know what I'm saying. Something that I actually learned about this as well is it contains an ingredient called Tensop, which I hadn't heard of before, but I did a little bit of research and it basically helps to lift and tighten the skin. It actually works really well with like LED light therapy as well, which I'll talk a little bit more about in a second. But yeah, overall just helps to kind of like plump, helps to hydrate, just keep your skin like really nice and supple, which I love. Okay, and then on to my favorite part, because this is my favorite part of my skincare routine currently. I'm going to be talking about the LED light therapy mask that is in the box. Again, you can also purchase this separately on CurrentBody as well. Now, let me be honest, okay, this isn't a product that I feel like every single person in the world is going to need, or every single person in the world is going to think is like an essential. It is an investment. It is definitely investment. It's not as affordable as everything else, I will say. The great thing about this LED mask is obviously you only have to purchase it once. Like once you've bought it, you can keep it. It's there for good, and the benefits of using LED light on your skin is actually crazy. Like I feel like I didn't really look into it a lot until recently. So this is what it looks like. It does look a little bit crazy when you put it on, I'm not gonna lie. But this mask basically combines red and near ultra red light therapy to help with anti-aging especially. I was actually getting like slight fine lines and wrinkles on my forehead at one point. I was noticing a lot when I was doing my foundation and my makeup that they would settle there. And yeah, overall I feel like I just look a lot more like smoother and a lot more even in terms of my skin. It is actually clinically tested and proven as well that this mask can reduce fine lines and wrinkles by 35% in up to 4 weeks. And the thing that makes it different compared to other like LED masks as well is it's actually fully flexible, as you can see. So it basically means that it penetrates like every single area of your skin. Yeah, it's super comfortable. You literally just pop it on like this, and then I have the little strap that wraps around the back of the head. And you can also just hook it onto your ears if you want to as well. But something that I want to use today whilst we are using this is the CurrentBody Hydrogel face mask, which looks like so. It's just like a sheet mask. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this on and give it a go. This is actually the only product that I've not tried so far, just because I did want to save it for this video so we could test it out together. It's like a sheet mask that's like 2 separate halves. So that is the bottom. It's designed as well to like let the LED light like penetrate through it. Another thing that I love about this mask as well is it's a 10-minute treatment. So you literally, sorry, I feel like I look so weird talking like this, but you literally pop it on for like 10 minutes and it automatically switches off and it's done. It's really quick and easy, and it just feels really nice. I prefer to use it at night if I'm going to be completely honest, but for the sake of today, I'm obviously using it in the morning. Okay, and then I'm going to just kind of like massage the rest of that into the skin. I always like to do that with masks actually. That's a really like easy skincare tip, is just to like massage like the excess product from your sheet masks like into the skin, just to make sure you're getting like the full benefits from it. Yeah, I absolutely love that. It helps to calm redness as well, which I've definitely noticed a difference in, and also helps your skin to produce collagen. Okay, and then last but not least, in terms of things to put on the skin, we've got the CurrentBody Clarifying Clay Mask. So kind of similar to the foaming cleanser, clay masks always make me like a little bit nervous. They don't tend to be a type of mask that I use very often. Again, with some clay masks in the past that I've used, I find them a little bit drying or just a little bit like too intense for my skin type. But I actually really love this. Again, it is formulated with aloe vera, so has that very like soothing feel to the skin, the same way that the AHA tonic does. Also has white willow bark extract and AHAs to help just like extract any like nastiness from your pores, just to give like a really nice like deep cleanse, but nothing again that's too harsh on the skin. I only use this a couple of times a week. I feel like you don't have to use it a lot at all, but that is what it looks like inside. I'll do a little swatch on the skin for you guys, because again, I tend to use this at night more so than in the morning. And yeah, for a clay mask, it just doesn't feel heavy at all. Really great again at giving like a really nice gentle exfoliating effect when you do remove it, and just leaves your skin feeling really soft and like decongested and smooth afterwards. Okay, and then we've also got 2 more like smaller tools in the box as well. So the first one is the CurrentBody Brow Shapers. Have to be honest, these are kind of like my least used product out of everything, just because I'm not like the hairiest of people in terms of my brows, and also in terms of like the actual hair on my face. But saying that, if you're the sort of person that does have thicker brows, or you really like dermaplaning and just getting rid of any of that like peach fuzz or whatever else, these are really great little tools to have. And then the last little tool, which I actually do really love, it just looks like so, and it is the eyebrow precision tool. This is like an absolute lifesaver, I swear to God. I've never had a product like this in my life. You guys know that I tend to pencil in the tails of my eyebrows a little bit higher than what they are naturally. And this is basically just like a little tool that helps you get rid of any like brow hairs that you want rid of in a really like quick but also painless way. Okay, so you just want to click it on and you'll just hear it buzzing. It also has a light, which is really nice. You can kind of see what you're doing really clearly. But yeah, I tend to just like run this over the tails of my brows. And literally, I mean, are you going to be able to see where it's like picking up really small hairs? And like the thing that baffles me about this is it really is completely painless. Like, so easy to use, so much quicker than plucking. So yeah, that is pretty much my skincare routine at the minute, using all CurrentBody products. I'm honestly like so happy with my skin at the minute. Like, it genuinely makes me excited and happy inside because, yeah, like I said, I feel like it's just been such a journey, and finding products that I actually really get on with and are just so like simple to use. Like, everything's very straightforward. The fact that it comes in a box, like everything is labeled so like in such a simple way, it just makes everything a lot easier. And I feel like I'm really on the road now to like getting my skin to where I want it to be thanks to these products. So I cannot recommend them enough. I'm going to leave all of the information down below. I've really enjoyed filming this video. I feel like we've literally just like sat down together, done a little bit of skincare. Like, I'm feeling ready for the day. If you guys want me to do a makeup version of this video as well, let me know, because I would definitely love to do that. Big thank you to CurrentBody for sending these products over as well, and for introducing me to them, because like I said, it's definitely going to be like my go-to skincare routine from now on, which makes me really, really happy. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you in the next one.